welcome back to the channel, everyone. Surprise, surprise, we are in the S650. We are currently 1 mile to E, which is actually not good because we have to drive a little bit to get to the E85 station. I really hope we can go ahead and make it. It has been a very, very long time since I've actually been behind the wheel of this car on camera, which is crazy. I was going to go ahead and use the Shelby GT350 to go ahead and get E85 for this car, go fill that car up, because I was going to take a road trip this weekend, and I was going to go ahead and have a fuel jug with me to bring back for this car, because I parked it with no gas in it. Stupid, I know, but obviously, if you missed the previous video, the transmission in the Shelby GT350 unfortunately left the chat.
Flashback.
There's like resistance going into fourth, but third, it just goes in. Fifth, sixth, resistance. That's how I know. Not upset. You know, we put that transmission through the ringer. I 110% got my money's worth out of that transmission. So now we're back in the S650, and I'm not gonna lie, I forgot how much I do love this car. I really do. It's super, super fun to drive, chill, it's quiet, but I hope we are able to make it to the E85 station, because my dumbass has 2 cars that just run on nothing but E85. So hopefully we can make it 1 to E. Theoretically, I think we should be able to make it. It might actually just sputter like as soon as we get to the station, and I might have to just like cruise it in there. But yeah, I don't know if I hear the fuel pump right now, like crying for life. I hope that's not that ringing. It's like, I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but it might be wind noise. I don't know. I might be just hearing shit, but I need to stop doing this. I need to 100% stop doing this. Oh, don't even have the hat clip set up properly. I didn't really know how I wanted to start this video because it's been a minute since I've actually recorded with this car. Still got those pops and bangs. Whew. There are some meets this weekend. We're just gonna continue like usual. Pop out in the S650. It's not like this car is slow. Obviously it's slower than the Shelby GT350, but you know, Cat Elite E85 with the back tire, I mean, this actually is pretty stout for what it is. Way faster than what I thought. Got somebody on a bike. Man, caught me in the NA car today. I don't even know what CC that is. I could get gat, but if it's anything less than 1,000, woohoo, I got something for him.
A few moments later.
Oh, we are riding on 0 to E. Are we gonna make it? We're right here. Oh my God. Yes, sir, we made it. Woo! Woo! Man, that shit was close. I just cruised it. Made it. Let's get it. Ooh, E85 went down too. Hell yeah. That's a massive W. Hold on. Oh. Yes, sir. We made it. I gotta wash this car today as well. Looks like it's a daily. Alright, let me go ahead and get some gas. Alright, got some E85. that was the pump though. I'm about to find out if I don't hear that noise. There we go. Let me switch my mode real quick. No, actually, I was doing hits on sport mode. With the advanced track all the way off. All right, ready to roll. Automatic rev match is nice too. All right, it is way later in the day, and I figured let's go ahead and wrap this video up with some hard pulls. S650, she dirty, but you cannot lie, it does look mean. Woo, with that Ford Star back tire on it. We got everything back in here. It is daily mode. I might drag it, I ain't gonna lie. See if we can go ahead and get a PB. The DA is positive, so it would be a pretty sick to get a PB. I don't think it's gonna run a PB. This thing is actually not bad for what it is. Very, very basic setup. Cat delete E85. That's all this is. And a back tire. Still got that ghost cam tune on it too. Do a second gear hit. Third gear is a dud. Super, super, super lazy in this car. Only way to do it is second gear. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. Woohoo, that's a little backfires. Throw it in sport mode. Turn advanced. want to do a little test hit up here. Just in case. You never know. It could spin. I don't know. There's no way it is, though. But I'm going to make sure it don't. These Mickeys will hook up 450 wheel. This thing don't make no torque either, so. Ooh, looks like we got some fog up here too. Shit. It's crazy because I'm so used to like the heavy clutch in the Shelby GT350 that getting back into this car with the very, very light clutch is very, very weird. Very weird. Look at all this fog. Like, oh my goodness, dude. It's actually kind of crazy. The ground might be damp. It's because the humidity is pretty bad right now. It's really bad. I mean, look at it up there. What in the hell? Yeah, dude, the humidity and the visibility is pretty chalked. The ground is definitely wet. The air is wet. I had a flashback like I was gonna fuck this transmission up. God damn it. Let's try that again. Oh, good old MT82 things, man. God damn. Another hit. Alrighty, hopefully you guys enjoyed the vid. It's been a minute since I took the S650 out. This gas station is dirty as hell, but hey, it is what it is. Now to get this car detailed. Whew, it is late, so I'm gonna head back to the crib. If you guys enjoyed the content, feel free. Drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.